Hi, what's up? You don't look right.
I just can't do my homework. Everybody else is okay with it.
What do you mean?
I'm in trouble, because I didn't hand my homework in. I couldn't copy it from the whiteboard in time, and I don't understand what the teacher's asking.
I felt like that when I was in primary, but I spoke to my mum, dad and teacher about it. It's a lot easier now.
How come?
I've been told that I had additional learning needs.
What's that?
That I find it harder to learn some things. The school has to give me extra help.
What sort of help?
The teaching assistant checks that I understand what the teacher's asking. Sometimes she helps if I'm finding it difficult and we have meetings.
Meetings? That sounds serious.
It's actually okay. We make an IDP so that everybody knows how to help me.
What's that?
An individual development plan.
That just sounds like more work.
It's not that sort of plan. They listen. You might get longer to do your homework, maybe get help to do it in school. You know, that sort of thing. And if the school isn't taking you seriously, I've been told that you can appeal to the council.
That sounds okay. I might talk to my foster carer about having a meeting up with the teacher.
Do it, Sam. You might have additional learning needs, like me, or maybe you just need a little help to catch up.